Hey, stop. Before you scroll, give me 2 minutes because what I'm about to show you could completely change how you create YouTube content, how you build online income, and how you automate an entire channel starting today. Imagine this for a second. What if you could run a YouTube channel without recording videos, without editing anything, without uploading a single file yourself? Sounds impossible, right? But let me ask you something, be honest. Why are people still struggling to build YouTube channels the hard way? Think about what it actually takes. You have to research topics, write scripts, record footage, edit videos, design thumbnails, upload content, optimize SEO, and repeat this process again and again and again. No wonder most people quit, not because they lack ambition, but because the process is exhausting. Hours of editing, days of work, and sometimes zero results. And here's the frustrating part. YouTube rewards one thing above everything else: consistency. Channels that upload consistently grow, channels that don't disappear. So the real question becomes, how do you publish consistently without burning out? That's exactly why we built something completely different. Something smarter, something automated, something powered by AI agents. Introducing AI YouTube Channel Maker, the breakthrough AI agent system that researches, scripts, creates, edits, and publishes YouTube videos automatically. From one simple dashboard. This isn't just another AI writing tool, and it's not another script generator. This is a complete YouTube automation engine. Here's what happens once you activate it. The AI agent starts researching trending topics in your niche. Then it writes high-retention scripts designed to keep viewers watching. Next, it generates the full video, voiceover, visuals, captions, editing, everything, and then it publishes the video directly to your YouTube channel automatically, which means no filming, no editing software, no complicated setup, just automation. And here's where it gets interesting, because once your channel starts publishing videos consistently, those videos become digital assets, working for you 24 hours a day, bringing views, subscribers, traffic, revenue opportunities, not for one day, but potentially for years. And don't worry, the system was designed to be beginner-friendly, no coding, no technical skills. If you can click a few buttons, you can activate the AI agent. Now here's the kicker. Most tools that do even a fraction of this charge monthly subscriptions. $49, $97, even $297 per month. But today, during this launch, you can unlock AI YouTube Channel Maker for a tiny one-time investment. No subscriptions, no recurring fees. Just activate the AI agent once and use it forever. And of course, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you try it and decide it's not for you, just contact support, and we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. So the real question is simple. Do you keep struggling to build YouTube channels the manual way? Or do you activate an AI agent that handles the entire workflow for you? If you're ready to, automate video creation, publish content consistently, grow subscribers without burnout, build YouTube channels from your laptop, and finally leverage AI instead of grinding for hours, then click the button below. Activate AI YouTube Channel Maker and let your AI agent start building your channel today. No camera, no editing, no stress, just automation. Your move.